what's up? It's your girl T Cheesy back with another video. My name is Taylor Romano, like the cheese for people that are new here, but my friends call me T. Today I'm here with a little get ready with me slash get to know me video. I'm still very new to YouTube, so obviously new subscribers don't really know anything about me except that I'm a University of Oregon student and I like to ski, because basically that's all you see on my channel so far. Sorry if during the video I'm looking down. I have a mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing and I'm not always looking in the viewfinder. I have to break that habit. That's a bad YouTube habit. Anyways, the makeup look that I'm doing today is super simple, super easy. It's what I do every single day. It takes me like 10 to 15-ish minutes. It's super fast. Let's get right to the video. Basically, the idea for this video is that as I go along introducing what I use for my makeup and whatnot, I'm gonna be shouting out random fun facts about myself. They're not all that fun. I've already prepped my face by just cleansing it with whatever cleanser you have at home. I just use like a $5 one. And then moisturizer. And then I always go into a primer. It's the Milk Makeup Primer. And I just kind of... Oh yeah, also, if my eyes seem a little out of focus, it's because I wear glasses and I'm super blind, so I can't see really anything at all. I kind of just wing it. You'll notice I rub with my hands a lot because I can't really see what my makeup looks like, and I've found that blending works better with hands. I don't know, I think it's the warmth of your fingers just makes it go into your skin better and it looks smoother. Next I go in with this IT Cosmetics CC cream in SPF 50, which is what I like because I'm so freaking pale after a winter in Eugene that I need sunscreen or else I'm gonna look like a lobster. Fun fact numero uno, I am originally from Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, which is this little town near, I always say Scottsdale, but I actually don't know if it's near Scottsdale. I lived there until I was 7 years old, but then I moved to Park City, Utah, which is where I consider home. I have lived there for 13 years now, and I go back every summer while I'm in school, except for this summer, because as everyone knows, I am going to Europe for like a million weeks, which is so much fun. I'm so excited. Alright, at this point I'm kind of just hoping and praying that it's all blended in. I kind of make sure I got under my nose and around my mouth really well, and I go over the tops of my eyelids because I just get really dark coloring around this whole area. Next, I go in with a NARS concealer. I think it's in the color Custard. Yeah, Custard. And I do this very lightly just because glasses tend to zoom in on my eyes, so I don't really need that much concealer. It just zooms right past those dark circles. Next, I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. It's the powder one in light to medium. I know it looks dusty and gross AF. I've had this for a year or two now, I think. I don't know, when does makeup expire? It's probably expired, but I still got a lot to do. And I kind of just take all three and then go in. Fun fact number 2, I used to ski race, like alpine skiing, like slalom, giant slalom, super G, that kind of stuff. I used to race at a FIS level all through high school, but I mean, I wasn't that great at it. I mean, I'm a good skier, but I'm not a good ski racer. At least at the FIS level, and so I wasn't planning on skiing in college at all, like competitively. But I met this amazing person named Mackenzie Moran, Mac for short, and she introduced me to the Alpine Ski Club here at University of Oregon, and it was so much fun. I love it so much. I'm actually the president or captain, and Kiara Madison is my co-captain, and we run this thing. Honestly, it's so much fun. I'm so glad I did it. I like really didn't see myself skiing at all in college until that moment. Say hi to the vlog, Cicely. What? I'm filming a video.
By the way, Taylor, it's like most of them. I'll send.
Cicely.
Okay.
Send me the rubric, send me the essay. I'll get to it if I have time.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, now that that's done, I also like to take this middle color right here. Girl, I don't know what it is. I can't read. I mean, I can read, but it doesn't even have a name. Didn't even need to bother. But I take the middle color, and I just brush that over my eyes a little bit. I don't know, I like the bronzy look it gives. Okay. Next, I like to do my eyebrows, and this I can do with my glasses. They just have to sit low. Fun fact number 3, I come from a super Italian family, like American Italian cultured family. My grandpa, if he talks with his hands, and he like literally sounds like the Godfather whenever I FaceTime him, and it's the funniest thing. The other day when I called him, he was wearing a white, oh girl, that wasn't blended. He was wearing a white wife beater, and his hair was slicked back, like combed slicked back with gel. And he he's so funny. I think he gets confused by FaceTime because he'll like try and talk to me with one hand, but it's a little confusing for him, you know, he's used to having 2 hands. But yeah, my mom isn't Italian. She is First Nation Canadian and German, but I didn't really like grow up with her side of the family. I don't know my grandpa on that side very well, but I do know my grandma on that side really well. I call her every single day. Fun fact number 4. But I was always like kind of raised culturally with my dad's side of the family, which is Italian. I don't know if that makes sense. I just have more, like, I consider myself American, not American Italian or Italian American, but just I'm more culturally Italian. Oh my god, even to you guys, I talk with my hands all the time. Oh, I've been doing my eyebrows this whole time with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. And I go over it with another Anastasia Beverly Hills product. It's the Clear Brow Gel, just to make sure those things stay in place. Another fun fact, I am an awesome parallel parker. I am so good. I almost failed my driver's test. I was 1 point away from failing, but I saved myself with the parallel parking. I'm that good. I got full points, and I had never learned to parallel park before that at all. No one taught me. I just went into the test not knowing how to do it whatsoever, and I nailed it. Are those even? They look pretty even to me. Next thing I do is blush. I use NARS blush in the color Orgasm. I mean, everybody does. It's a staple. And I just take these. I really don't know what these brushes are called. These, I don't know where they're from. My mom got them for me like a million years ago for Christmas. But I've been using them ever since. Next step is highlight. And I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I actually don't know if she still sells these, because every time I go into Sephora, they don't have them. But it's the Sun Dipped one. It's the Sun Dipped right there. And I go in with the color Moonstone. It's the one that I use the most. I set myself with this, I think it's All Nighter. Yeah, All Nighter Urban Decay spray, because highlight goes on so nice on top of spray. I'm dropping things all over the place. Do not look too wild. I kind of rub it out because it goes on so strong. On the tip of my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow, and then a little sweep right here and here. And then I like to scope out how I'm doing with my glasses on. We're looking good. Alright. Last step, guys, we're already basically there, is mascara. This is the hardest part for me, okay? Used to be the easiest part because contacts, but now I use this wild contraption really close to my eye and we just send it. Okay, next fun fact, I've lost track of what number we're on. I'm in my second year of college at the University of Oregon, but I'm technically a junior in credits. I didn't take any AP classes in high school though. I've just been really loading up on credits here. I go in with a Dior Show 3D primer every single day. It just makes my life easier, honestly, because I don't know why it does this, but for some reason I'm just less likely to get mascara on my eyelid when I use the primer beforehand. Oh, cause see, I get the primer on my eyelid, but it doesn't appear. I originally was not going to go to the University of Oregon. I had no idea I was going to go here. I applied to this school the day before the application was due. I thought I was going to go to NYU, but that is so expensive and your girl does not have the money for that. So I ended up here. I wanted to be a journalist for a really long time, so I just applied to a million schools with good journalism programs. But I'm really glad I ended up here. I was terrified because literally when I toured the school, I flew into Portland at 10 a.m. in the morning, drove 2 hours to Eugene. It's more like an hour and 45-ish. In the pouring rain. It was coming down. It was so crazy. And when I got here, it was dead. No one was here. And I was like, oh my god, like people really just hate the rain. Everyone stays inside. Like this sucks. Like no one's outdoorsy like I thought they would be. And I just got like really sad. And then I went on this tour and my tour guide told me that it was spring break. And that's why there was no one on campus, because I came on a tour in the middle of spring break. I ended up coming here. Wild decision. I didn't see myself doing that, but I ended up coming here, and honestly, it's been one of the best decisions I have ever made. I absolutely love it here. I have made some of the greatest friends of my whole life. I don't know, college, I feel like you just really get to weed out the people you don't like. Like in high school, you had to deal with a lot of people you didn't like. But in college, I didn't have to do that. I could just be like, no, you're weird and crazy. I don't like you. I don't want to hang out with you. And that was it. I never had to see them again. Loved it. So I've had a really great experience. I don't know. I don't really have many other fun facts about myself for you guys. But if you do have questions, leave those in the comments section, and maybe I will do a Q&A in the near future. You can also comment them on my Instagram, which is @QueenT97, or tweet me at @T_Romano on Twitter. Oh, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I live by it. And to finish it all off, I just take a little EOS lip balm. We're good to go. That is the look for the day. It literally took me 15 minutes and I was talking to you guys the whole time. So super easy, super fast. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, leave me a like and subscribe. I post videos every single Monday, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!